Hi, I'm Julia from Bernini Fountains, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble your Piccolo fountain tower. So I've already unboxed it. What will come is the fountain itself and the instructions and water attachment. So for step one, I'm going to show you how to install your batteries in your new Piccolo fountain tower. The first thing you're going to need is 4 double A-size batteries, as well as a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is uninstall the top of the fountain from the base. Then you're going to flip it upside down so the top of the fountain is face down. You're going to wiggle off and remove the pump. And at this point, you're going to firmly press down, counterclockwise unscrewing those screws. So again, for the second one, there are 2 screws. You're firmly pushing down and spinning counterclockwise. When looking in the battery compartment, you will see 2 springs that are diagonal from each other. That is going to be for the negative face of the batteries. And opposite of that, you'll put the positive face of the batteries down. Now use these 2 dowels to line up the battery compartment. Again, it's easier to have the fountain top face down, so you can firmly press the screws and screw them down clockwise. At this point, you will reassemble the pump just by making sure the water pump tube is pressed firmly against the battery compartment. At this point, go ahead and line up the notches from the top of the fountain to the base. And now we're ready to put it in water and see how it works. So now we're at the last step of our Piccolo fountain assembly. We're going to go ahead and place our Piccolo in about 2 to 3 inches of water. Push the black button once. At this point, the fountain will run for an hour. You can go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy, or add the dancing waters attachment for a different sound and height of water. You may need a larger bowl to accommodate the splashing. If you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and give us a call at 619-449-2392 or email us at customercare@berninifountains.com.